Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
9 common phrasal verbs with hang. Like and subscribe to the channel. Hang around. An informal expression with 3 meanings. 1. To spend time somewhere without a specific purpose, often idly. He's always hanging around the coffee shop. 2. To stay somewhere, often waiting for something or someone. Can you hang around for a bit? I need to talk to you. 3. To associate or spend time with someone, often casually. He hangs around with a group of musicians. I don't hang around with them anymore. Hang back. 1. To hesitate or avoid taking action. She wanted to join the discussion, but she hung back because she was nervous. 2. To stay in a place instead of advancing or moving forward. Most of the group ran ahead, but a few of us hung back to explore the area. Hang it up. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To stop doing something, especially if it's a career or activity. After years of playing football, he decided to hang it up and retire. 2. To hang something like a piece of clothing on a hook or hanger. When you come in, don't forget to hang up your coat. 3. To quit or abandon an effort completely. If this plan doesn't work, we may have to hang it up and start over. After months of trying to start a business with no success, she decided it was time to hang it up and look for a steady job. 3 meanings depending on its usage. 1. To wait or pause briefly. Hang on, I'll be with you in just a moment. 2. To hold tightly to something. Hang on to the rope so you don't slip. The ride is bumpy, so hang on tight. 3. To persevere or endure during tough times. They had to hang on through the storm until help arrived. Hang on, you'll get through this difficult situation. Hang out. Meanings. 1. To spend time relaxing or socializing. They usually hang out at the coffee shop on weekends. 2. To linger in a particular place. There was a strange man hanging out near the bus stop. She loves to hang out by the beach and watch the waves. Hang over. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To remain as a concern, threat, or unresolved issue. The guilt from his mistake still hangs over him. 2. To physically extend or project over something. The branches of the tree hang over the fence. 3. To affect someone negatively, often used for after effects, such as a hangover. The headache from the late-night party hung over him all morning. The sadness of the loss still hangs over the family. Hang together. Meanings. 1. To make sense, be logical, or consistent as a whole. The story doesn't hang together. There are too many contradictions. 2. To stay united or support one another. We need to hang together as a team to get through this challenge. Hang up. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To end a phone call. She hung up the phone before I could explain. Don't hang up on me, I need to talk to you. 2. To suspend something like clothing on a hook or hanger. Please hang up your coat when you come in. He hung up his jacket in the closet. Hang up. 3. To stop doing something, often permanently. After the accident, he decided to hang up his racing helmet for good. She finally hung up her acting career to focus on her family. Hang with. Meaning. To spend time with someone. Examples. She always hangs with her classmates at lunch. I hung with my coworkers after work yesterday. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.